This cinnamon pudding is so delicious, good for you, vegan, and refined sugar-free. We will start with 2 tablespoons of chia seeds that are great for your digestion and keep you very full. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. If you're like me and you eat a lot of it, try to get the Ceylon. It's better for you in large quantities. And then we'll add half a cup of applesauce. This has fiber for your digestion and antioxidants, and it's anti-inflammatory. Then we'll add half a cup of plant milk. I like vanilla almond milk for this and pretty much everything, but that is completely up to you. Then we'll mix that all together. Put a cover on it. Now here is the hardest part. We are going to put it into the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I like to put it in the night before and then enjoy it for breakfast. And then take it out and taste it. If you're like me, you might want some more cinnamon. So I added a total of a teaspoon of cinnamon. I just added that half a teaspoon on top. Then toppings, that's up to you. I love walnuts on top. Mix it together. Now tell me, would you make this vegan, dairy-free, refined, sugar-free cinnamon pudding? Let me know in the comments below.